Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use AI to study engineering. First, leverage AI to break down difficult topics into understandable parts. For example, ask it to simplify thermodynamics or fluid dynamics principles. Next, utilize AI to create custom quizzes and practice questions tailored to your specific course material. This approach helps reinforce your understanding and identify areas needing more attention. Finally, let AI suggest relevant resources, like articles or videos, to deepen your knowledge efficiently. AI excels at simplifying complex engineering theories, making them much easier to grasp. You can ask it to explain concepts like finite element analysis or control systems in a way that truly resonates with you. Furthermore, AI can generate detailed, step-by-step solutions for even the most challenging problems, helping you understand the underlying logic. This immediate feedback loop is invaluable for refining your problem-solving skills and building confidence in your abilities. When tackling engineering projects, AI can be a powerful partner. It helps brainstorm innovative ideas, suggesting approaches you might not have considered. Imagine getting fresh perspectives on designing a new bridge or optimizing a manufacturing process. Additionally, AI can swiftly summarize lengthy research papers, saving you hours of reading time. This allows you to quickly grasp key findings and integrate them into your work, making your research more efficient and impactful. Beyond basic study, advanced AI tools can revolutionize your engineering practice. Consider using AI for computer-aided design, or CAD, and simulation, allowing for rapid prototyping and testing of virtual models. You can even collaborate with AI in real time for design optimization, achieving better results faster. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your learning experience. Keep exploring AI's potential to stay ahead in your engineering journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.